In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox no sound driver. Now first what we want to do is we want to search for sound mixer down here and we want to go in here. Now from in here what you can do is scroll down and press reset. Now once this is done, another thing you can try and do is you can come in here and search for apps and features. Now from in here you can find Roblox and you can try reinstalling. Click on this and this, uninstall both and try reinstalling. The last one is you can search for device manager, then come to audio, inputs and outputs, go in here, make sure your speakers, you want to right click and update the driver for all your speakers, as well as your audio. So all of these, you don't need the microphone, but you can do that as well. And once you've done all of these, it should hopefully work. There's another one that you can potentially do. You can come in here and search for apps, then search for voice, and try uninstalling the voice recorder. Now once you've done all of these, your Roblox should be fixed. And if it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.